What a beautiful day on your very own Island of Sodor train set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover. I, Thomas, promised to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square. Super! Super cool! Thanks for helping out! Let's go find that toy! Excellent! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? Well done! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right. Excellent! Excellent! That was so much fun! Time to pick a new toy. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Excellent! I love that! Which way do you want to go? Left leads. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Good job! Excellent! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Which toy will you choose now? It's super easy to find a new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Where to now? Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Forward leads to Knapford Station's just ahead. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Where to now? Left. Left leads to... We're near the pig farm. Let's go! Excellent! Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their pen? Excellent! Thanks for helping out! Pick any toy you like. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Where to now? Forward leads. Left leads to the Boulder Cliff. I love that. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with them. Great! Whoa! We're always happy to help. Choose a new toy. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Where to now? Left leads to McCall's farm is coming up. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their... Well done! Wow! Thanks for helping out. Choose a new toy. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Lights out. Lights on. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Good job. Great! Thanks a lot for your help.